Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing that every single star might have its own planets, each one a potential home to life. It's not just a possibility, it might actually be inevitable. In this video, we're diving into the mind-blowing reasons why life may be woven into the fabric of the universe itself. Let's explore the science, the mysteries, and the incredible clues that life might not be as rare as we once thought. First, let's talk ingredients. For life as we know it, you need basic elements like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and guess what? The universe has these in abundance. They're created in stars, released in supernovas, and scattered across galaxies. So, the cosmic pantry is fully stocked. In fact, our own solar system is loaded with these life-building blocks. Just look at Mars, Europa, and Enceladus. All of them have shown hints of water and organic molecules, essential ingredients for life. And water? It turns out, water is actually kind of common. Scientists have found evidence of water not just on Earth but on Mars, Europa, Enceladus, and even in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. Water seems to show up wherever we look. Some researchers believe it's inevitable that planets form with water or ice, meaning that the conditions for life might be the default, not the exception. We call it the Goldilocks Zone, where a planet is not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water. Hundreds of exoplanets have been found within this zone around their stars. But here's where it gets even more mind-blowing. Some scientists believe life might not even need to be in the Goldilocks Zone. They think life could exist on planets or moons deep under ice, around hydrothermal vents or in subsurface oceans, meaning life could thrive in places we can barely imagine. Ever heard of extremophiles? These are organisms on Earth that live in extreme environments, boiling hot springs, acidic rivers, or under crushing pressure at the bottom of the ocean. These creatures prove that life can adapt to extreme conditions that were once thought impossible. If life can survive here on Earth in places like these, what could it be like on other planets or moons with similar, or even more extreme environments? Here's where things get really trippy. There's a theory called biocentrism which suggests that life is an essential property of the universe, like gravity or electromagnetism. Some scientists argue that the laws of physics might actually favor the emergence of life, with certain molecular structures, like RNA or DNA, having a kind of drive to self-assemble under the right conditions. If this theory holds up, life might be inevitable anywhere the conditions are right. But if life is inevitable, why haven't we found anyone out there yet? This question is called the Fermi Paradox. Some think it's because we haven't looked long enough or far enough, others think advanced civilizations might destroy themselves. But here's the kicker, if life is out there, maybe it's in a form we don't recognize. Life might be everywhere, hidden in forms we can't yet detect, perhaps as microbial life, or even something far beyond our imagination. There are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each with billions of stars and planets. If even a fraction of these planets can host life, then the number of alien biospheres could be mind-boggling. Surely it has to be out there. And since new stars and planets are born constantly, the universe is still actively setting the stage for new life to form. So, life might not just be common, it could be happening everywhere, all at once. So, does life have to exist in the universe? The evidence points to the possibility that life is not an anomaly, but a consequence of the universe's very nature. From the endless supply of life-building materials to water everywhere we look, and organisms that can survive nearly anything, the stage for life seems to be set across the cosmos. Maybe, just maybe, life is an essential part of the universe. The only question left, how much longer until we find it? If this blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you think we'll find life next. Stay tuned for more cosmic mysteries.